All right. Section 6.5, problem number 2 for class exercises. Write the expression as the sum or difference of logarithms. Express powers as factors. This one's a little tricky because you've got all of these little fractional exponent right here, but we still use the same basic properties and rules that we always do. You're expanding. So we're going to take this power of 1/2 right here, and it will eventually come out front. But you may want to go ahead and on the inside, the x squared minus x minus 2 needs to be factored. The factors of -2 that have a difference of 1, x minus 2 and x plus 1. Take that 1/2, as I mentioned, and pull it to the front because the power becomes the factor. You're expanding there. Okay, now on the inside, so far you have multiplication and division going on. And you're expanding to single logarithms instead of everything. You're expanding to multiple logarithms here instead of just the one. Anything that is on top should be preceded by a plus sign. So we still have the 1/2 out front that's going to eventually be distributed throughout. But first expand this. Be the natural log of x minus 2 plus the natural log of x plus 1. Those two came from the top. This one comes from the bottom. We subtract the natural log of x plus 3 to the 5th power. These two are okay just as they are, but this 5th power is a little bit of a problem. We've got to get rid of it before we finish. It can't be an exponent. It has to become a factor also. So nothing really changes until you get to this. The 5 comes to the front times the natural log of 3. Now you have no exponents left. All we have left to do is to distribute the 1/2. So 1/2 times the natural log of x minus 2, 1/2 times the natural log of x plus 1, and 1/2 times -5 natural log of x plus 3. And 1/2 times -5 simply becomes -5 halves. This is the actual answer. Good luck!